everyone, I'm back for another math lesson with you. And today what we're going to do is we're going to do a shape checkpoint. So before we left the classroom, we were learning a lot about shapes, not just 2D shapes, but also 3D shapes. So we're going to take a look and see what we know and what we remember all about shapes. So we talked a little bit about it last time I met with you, and we're going to dig a little deeper today. Today, you're going to need a pencil and some crayons. So if you have a pencil box full of those materials, that'd be super helpful. All right, let's go ahead and jump right into it. All right, so for this first question, you are going to need the colors purple, brown, green, orange, and red, okay? So if you don't have those, go ahead and pause the video and then come back once you have them and you can go ahead and hit play. Now remember, you can get this shape checkpoint paperwork off of Seesaw as well, okay? All right, so number one, follow the instruction to color some of the shapes in the box below. And if you look at the box below, you're going to recognize a lot of these shapes. We use pattern blocks tons and tons and tons. So I know if you think really hard, you're going to remember all of these shapes. We use them at number corner, we use them for designs, and we use them in math. So let's check it out. The first one says, color the triangles purple. So you're going to look down in that box below, and any shape that is a triangle, I want you to color it in purple. Go ahead and hit pause, and when you're ready, you're done coloring all the triangles purple, you can hit play again to go on to the next one. All right. Color the rectangles brown. Good. Go ahead and hit pause if you need to and hit play when you're ready. All right. The next one is color the hexagon green. Color the hexagon green. Good. Hit pause if you need to and hit play when you're ready again. The next one is color the trapezoid orange. Color the trapezoid orange. Hi, amazing first graders. I'm back for another math lesson with you. And today we are going to do a shapes checkpoint. So the last time we talked, we were talking a little bit more about 3D shapes. And before we left the classroom, we were really digging into 3D shapes, and we had also learned about 2D shapes. So we're going to do a checkpoint to see what we remember and what we know about shapes. And since this is a checkpoint, remember, you're going to do this independently, okay? No parent help here. What you're going to need is a pencil and some crayons. Yeah, this checkpoint has parts where you're going to get to color a little bit, so make sure you have some crayons. All right, let's go ahead and jump right into this, and I will walk you through by reading all of the questions to you. All right, so for the first question, you're going to need your crayons. You're going to need purple, brown, green, orange, and red. So if you don't have those colors, go ahead and hit pause and grab those colors and come back when you're ready and hit play. All right, so we've worked with a lot of these shapes. Think about our pattern blocks and how often we use them. We use them when we design. You guys used to make elaborate designs with those pattern blocks in the morning and on fun Fridays. And remember, we use these shapes also during our number corners. Remember when we would collect them? Yeah, so think back to that time and remind yourself of these shapes and color them in correctly, okay? All right, number one says, follow the instruction to color some of the shapes in the box below. The first one says, color the triangles purple. So you're going to color all of the triangles purple. While you do that, you can hit pause, and then when you're ready for the next one, you can hit play. The next one says, color the rectangles brown. Color the rectangles brown. You can hit pause, and when you're ready, you can hit play again to go on to the next one. The next one says, color the hexagon green. Color the hexagon green. Good job. Think about those pattern blocks. The next one says, color the trapezoid orange. Color the trapezoid orange. And finally, the last one says, color the rhombuses red. Color the rhombuses red. All right, good job, you guys. Let's go ahead and move on to number two. If you need more time, go ahead and hit pause and hit play when you're ready. All right, number two says, John says this shape is a triangle. You'll see a shape right in the middle of your question. Now, question A says, is John right? Circle one. So John says this shape is a triangle. If you think John is right, you're going to circle yes. If you think John is wrong, you're going to circle no. All right, and then for B, it says, how do you know? So if you think John is right, how do you know he's right? Write that down. Show me how you know it's right. If you think he was wrong, how do you know he's wrong? Show me how you know he's wrong. There you go. Good job. All right, number 3. Draw a shape with 4 corners and 4 sides that are all the same length. What is the name of your shape? So in the blank space below, draw a shape with 4 corners and 4 sides that are all the same length. When you're done drawing your shape, at the bottom it says the name of my shape is, what is the name of that shape? Write it right there. Good job. All right, number 4. It says, Sarah has all these different kinds of shapes in her set of blocks. She has lots of each shape. So she doesn't just have one of each of these. She has bunches of each of these, okay? Make sure you listen very carefully to the directions, okay? Question A says, put a circle around the cube. Put a circle around the cube. Good. All right, question B. Again, really listen carefully. This time you're going to need a red crayon, okay? Listen carefully. Draw a red line. Draw a red line under the cylinder. Draw a red line under the cylinder. Good job. All right, the next one, C. It says, draw a circle around the thing Sarah cannot make with the blocks in her set. Now remember, she doesn't just have one of each shape. She has many of each shape, okay? So draw a circle around the thing Sarah cannot make with the blocks that she has in her set. Good. All right, and then D, when you're ready, feel free to hit pause if you need some more time and then come back and hit play when you're ready. D, Sarah said, if I just had one more kind of block, I could make all of those things. Draw a picture of the kind of block Sarah is missing. Draw a picture of the kind of block Sarah is missing. All right, guys, good job. Go ahead and turn these into Seesaw by taking a picture of your work and attaching it and then adding the check to your journal. All right, bye, guys.